Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're encountering slow video buffering, then watch this video to fix it. So the first thing we need to do is on the browser, we need to check the internet speed. I prefer using fast.com. You can use any other website to check the speed. So if you have a very slow speed, say maybe below 50 or 60 megabytes per second, then that could be the reason for the slow video buffering. If it's around above 100, then you shouldn't have any problem. So let's move on to the next solution. Click on the three dots here, and I'm doing this on the Edge browser. You can do it on any other browser. The methods and the steps are the same. Look for history and then click on history here. Click on delete browsing data. Time range should be all time. All right, and then we will make sure that all these boxes are checked, especially the cached cookies and the browsing history, and click on clear now. Now once that is done, we will restart the browser to check if the video is still buffering. If it does, then it could probably be that an extension is causing the slow video speeds. So we will look for extensions, manage extensions, and then we will switch off any extension that is here. Especially if we have any security extension, we need to switch that off because that could be the possible reason for the slow buffering speeds. Now if this too doesn't work, then we have to use the network troubleshooter. We'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we will click on system, look for recovery, and then we'll go to system, look for troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and then we will run the network and internet troubleshooter. Now after that, we can also update the browser. So we'll open the browser, click on the three dots here, and then we will go to help and feedback, about Microsoft Edge, and it will check for updates and it will install the updates. You can do this on any browser. It's the same, about Google Chrome, about Firefox, and it should do this. Now the last option is to run the reset the network. So we will run these commands in the command prompt and it should reset the network. We'll copy this one by one. I will not run all the commands just to save times for your convenience, but I will show you how it's done. Open command prompt in the administrator mode and then paste the command here and press enter, and it should reset the network. Finally, if nothing else works, it could be because your antivirus or your firewall is causing issues. Look for the virus and threat protection settings and click on manage settings. If you're using a third-party antivirus, anti-malware, then you need to disable the scan from there. Here I will disable the scan by switching off real-time protection, and I will also go to firewall and I will click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on and off, turn both off, and then click on OK, and then we'll see if the video buffering speed increases. Now it should probably increase, but remember that once you're done with it, you have to turn this on, because if you keep this off and run the system, then there is a chance that some nasty malware can infect your computer. I will turn this on, and now it could possibly be that your system or your network connection does not support the video resolution, the high video resolution. So you need to lower the video resolution. So I will go to YouTube. Okay, and I will just run any video to show you how to lower the resolution. So let's say, for example, I will look for this on YouTube and I will click on the settings bar and I will click on quality and I will lower the resolution to, say, if my right now it's running at say 480, then I will reduce it to 360 or 240, and this should not cause the delayed buffering or the slow video buffering. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.